Ladies and gentlemen, we are literally witnessing history in the making. When it comes to Aduro Clean Technologies, if you own shares in Aduro, congratulations. If you don't own shares in Aduro, my condolences go to you. I'm sorry. Last week, we got a press release from Aduro that they are going to uplisting its shares to the United States. And this morning, we got a news about first collaboration. First collaboration. And you know who it is with? Total. TotalEnergies from France. $160 billion company just entered into a collaboration with Aduro Clean Technologies after months of testing Aduro's technology. I mean, I can't imagine a better combination of the announcement we're going to uplist to the United States, and now, just a few days later, announcement of collaboration with Total. $160 billion company. So now, I'm sitting here, I'm thinking to myself, this is going to put, in my opinion, Aduro's technology on the world's map. What is Shell Oil going to think? What is ExxonMobil going to think? What is Dow Chemical going to think? They're all going to see it. They're all going to see it because they all watch each other. And now Total is coming up with a plastic recycling technology. In my opinion, it's the best plastic recycling technology in the world. They're going to be asking themselves, what is Total seeing in this technology that we don't know anything about? And Shell, as you know, Aduro is in the Shell Game Changer program, right? What is Shell going to think right now that Total is coming into the picture? Good times. And also, think about another thing. The stock price has been going up recently. I think it's because of the announcement that the company is going to list in the US. And the investment bankers are preparing, right? They're preparing for the roadshow. They're preparing to get some interest. And now they're going to see this. Do you think that they might get a tiny bit excited? So we'll see. Anyway, let's go to the press release. Aduro Clean Technologies enters new phase of collaboration with TotalEnergies. Aduro Clean Technologies, a Canadian technology company using the power of chemistry to transform lower value feedstocks such as plastic waste, heavy bitumen, and renewable oils into resources for the 21st century, is excited to announce new collaboration with TotalEnergies. This collaboration follows previously announced technical evaluation and underscores the growing interest in hydrochemolytic technology being developed by Aduro. After positive preliminary technical evaluation by Total, we are now entering a research and development collaboration phase. So they are entering this phase because of a positive preliminary technical evaluation. In other words, they like the technology, right? Why would they be going forward if they didn't like it? So the technology must be working very well for them. This phase will focus on a more diverse range of waste plastic materials, particularly those with higher contaminations of polyolefins, polyurethane, metals, and other challenging contaminants. The project aims to establish process parameters to manage these variables and hard-to-recycle feedstock, optimize the process design and operating conditions, and lay the groundwork for a commercial process. I love this word, commercial process, because that's what we're trying to do. That's what Aduro is trying to do, is commercialize its technology. And as you know from my prior videos, they have 6 multi-billion-dollar companies, entered into the customer engagement program, and we only knew that the name was Shell out of the 6. And so now we find out that Total was the other name. We didn't know, but now we know. So out of the 6, we know 2, Shell and Total, and then the other 4 we don't know. But Shell is not a collaborator yet. Total is a collaborator. And remember, the pipeline is customer engagement program, collaboration, commercial unit. That's the process. And now we got first collaboration from a Total, $160 billion market cap company. Let's continue. Aduro's innovation is centered on deconstructing these materials into high-value feedstock suitable for the chemical industry. Total will provide total financial and in-kind support, including access to technical resources. This collaboration aims to generate valuable data that will accelerate Aduro's technology development and scale up and facilitate the potential integration of hydrochemical technology into refining and petrochemical platforms. This collaboration aligns with Aduro's customer engagement program, which allows interested organizations to gain knowledge and understanding of hydrochemical technology through a stage-gated approach. Starting with a technology evaluation phase, the program progresses to a collaborative engagement aimed at gaining a more in-depth understanding of the technology with potential customization for the organization's specific needs. The goal is to move into the final commercialization stage where the customer commits to a commercial project. I love that word. I love this word, commercial project. That's where the big money starts coming in. This method ensures the rough assessment of hydrochemical technology, providing a solid and informed basis for each phase of the program. The continuation and expansion of our engagement to the collaboration phase is an integral part of our commercialization journey, said Ofer Weikas, CEO of Aduro. Total is dedicated to advancing plastic recycling technologies to meet their goal of producing 30% circular polymers by 2030. That's a massive amount. I mean, a massive company like this is not looking for tiny recycling. I mean, from this press release, we don't know how much this would translate, but a $160 billion company is engaging into this collaboration because they have big plans. I can tell you that. Our collaboration with Total represents a significant milestone in developing a practical and scalable commercial process for converting plastic waste into valuable feedstock. This aligns perfectly with our strategic goal to work with global industry leaders towards a commercialization process. We are excited to continue our work with them and are grateful for their increasing support and confidence in the potential of our hydrochemical technology. This is a monumental press release. So let's summarize this. Last week, they told us we're going to list the stock in the US. Today, they're telling us they have a collaborator from Total, right? This is going to put them on the map. Most of the companies, when they go IPO in the US, they come from a private entity. So you can't buy shares in private entity, right? And the people who can get in on the IPO are clients of the investment bank. In this case, the company is already public. So I suspect that the reason why the price of the shares is going up is because some people are buying ahead of the IPO, which would not be possible if it was a private company. And now they're going to get this news. I suspect maybe more people will buy. But I also think about when the investment bankers go on the roadshow trying to show the company. With this press release, do you think it's going to be harder or easier to get interest in this company. So I will let you come up with the answer. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. We are witnessing history in the making.